Good morning. We've seen snow across parts of the area for the metro area and Southside, Hampton Roads, Virginia Beach, like this location near Town Center here, looking at Independence Boulevard and 264. This is from atop the west, and we have our Thompson Creek Window Company sky view. You can see the low clouds and rain showers. It's been a rain event here, and we knew it would be. Currently at the airport, we are sitting at 42 degrees, obviously a good 10 degrees above freezing, and the winds have been light from the east-northeast. With that direction, the winds have brought in some warmer water off the ocean, and for the bay up to the north, that's why we are seeing some more rain around Christchurch over to Palmer, Stingray Point, and Dutton. This was at 9:40 this morning, and then that mixing a little farther to the west, and eventually find some pockets of light snow. But for the most part, this activity has been right on schedule, with the rain near the coast in North Carolina and then the snow showers farther north and west. The snow is winding down as we go through the mid to late morning. And as we get into the afternoon, there may still be a few showers, but things are going to get better and better for us as temperatures climb into the mid to upper 40s. We had snow earlier this morning for Newport News up around York. Can tell you Gloucester Point again back down through Pocosin, looking at some snow showers. A lot of snow up around Williamsburg areas north and west of that. A couple inches on the ground in some locations, but it's transitioned over to rain, and again it is winding down. Temperatures still pretty chilly off to the northwest, but most of the area now above freezing, and certainly warmer for the south side and down into northeast North Carolina. Look at the radar trend, and you can see how that warmer air is pushing to the northwest. Now we've got that transition. It's been working up the peninsula, and as it winds down, it will be ending as mainly rain showers. You could still see a couple of snow showers off to the north through late morning, but as we go past midday, things will be better. We still have a weather impact alert early this morning through the mid to late morning, but as we go later into the afternoon, we'll be taking that down. Skies are going to be cloudy through the overnight and early Saturday morning, mostly cloudy conditions. Later in the day on Saturday, we may see a few breaks in the clouds off to the north. That clearing trend overnight into early Sunday. By Sunday, it should be partly cloudy. We'll look forward to that. A little bit drier, and temperatures warming a little bit on Sunday as well. Highs today, mid to upper 80s across the south side. Again, we've seen the transition. It was just a little bit of a brief mix at the onset around Norfolk and Portsmouth. It's been rain in Virginia Beach, rain in Chesapeake, and down into North Carolina. A little bit of mixing still off to the north, middle peninsula, northern neck, parts of the peninsula. Once you get up around Williamsburg, most areas closer to the, let's say, the bay, and certainly down around Hampton, East End, Newport News, all showers at this point. Showers up on the eastern shore. And at the Outer Banks, temperatures close to 50, upper 40s for those inland areas. Tonight's low down around 38. Again, cloudy skies. Any lingering showers will taper off tomorrow. Cloudy early, pretty chilly for this time of year. Early December, we're normally in the mid to upper 50s, so we'll be about 5-10 degrees. Really about 8 or 9 degrees below average. Our normal high is about 57, 56 degrees today. All right, as you look ahead to Sunday, back to 50, then we cool it down Monday, 43, 46 for a high on Tuesday. We're back into the mid-50s on Wednesday, so closer to average. Then another chance for a few isolated showers next Thursday and into Friday. Be careful if you're still driving. Some of those inland areas still wet, and again, we do have maybe a few areas still dealing with a little bit of light snow, but things will be improving later today.